JD Tools here. I wanted to do a quick video on the welding cart that I made for the titanium Easy Flux 125 welder. I did a video a couple of days ago, and I was in the process of editing the video, and I was grinding on it, cutting, welding, and somehow, some way, I deleted the video. It would have been an awesome video. So I figured I'd just do a quick video of the cart that I made for the machine. And that way, if any of y'all want to get any ideas, y'all can. I got the material. It was a surplus area where it was a lot cheaper material. And I figured it was straight. It was a lot cheaper. Otherwise, I probably would have built it out of smaller square tubing. This is 1x1 square tubing. And as you can see for the leads, I just cut a piece of square tubing and welded it on the end here to hold the leads on there. I did put rollers on it. These are 2 swivel casters in the front. And I got 2 straight casters in the back. And this makes it easy to kind of pull it around. It is pretty heavy duty, and it'll probably last a lifetime. But if any of y'all want to get any ideas, y'all can. Just look at how I got it built here. And if you want to know the measurements or anything like that, just leave a comment. If you want the machine, which I highly recommend, I'll put a link in the description box below, and it'll take you to Amazon, and you can get the titanium 125 Easy Flux welder. This welder creates great beads, almost as good as a welder with gas. I'm very impressed with this welder. I cannot say enough about it. And for the price, it is just well worth the money. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe if you like the video. Leave a comment, and if you want the welding machine, I would highly suggest going on Amazon and clicking the link that I put in the description box below. It'll take you right to that welding machine so you can buy it. Thank you for watching.